For a while, I've been wanting one of these outdoor LED Christmas trees, but at almost $200, that's quite a bit more than I'd like to spend. I think we should build one instead. I'll start today at Five Below, where they have quite a few different LED lights for pretty cheap. I think 8 packages of lights should do it. Each string of these lights has a controller that responds to an app or a push button to control the different colors. One string of lights runs off a USB and will draw about 1.5 watts. We'll start by taking the case off of each USB controller. This set of lights has 3 wires. This one has stripes. You'll notice here. That is the positive line. The opposite wire is the ground or earth. The center wire is data. The computer will be sending out all the colors for all the lights on this line. On 7 out of the 8 sets of lights, we'll be cutting the wire about here. The 8th set, we're going to be stripping back the insulation right about here to make these wires bare. We're going to connect the 8 light sets together at these 3 wires. We'll be connecting each set together, ground to ground, data to data, positive to positive. This board won't know the difference between controlling one set of lights or 8. Now it's time to cut the wires off of 7 out of the 8 strings. I'm going to twist the wires together on 7 of them. Once we're done, we'll wrap it around the bare wire of the 8th set. It's starting to get a bit messy, but it'll be a little neater when we're finished. A little bit of solder should hold them together pretty well. Now we'll add some tape to isolate each wire. With all 8 strings connected, we're still only drawing about 13 watts of power. That's acceptable for a USB. We'll finish off the light controller with way too much hot glue, a zip tie, and some heat shrink tubing. We'll use a heat gun to shrink the tubing to fit. Aside from the lights themselves, you'll need a pole, some zip ties, and a hula hoop or something similar. As you can see, the pre-programmed patterns are very nice, but you can also add your own colors and patterns to this unit, as well as setting a timer for turning on and turning off at different times of the night.